One of my TikTok Shop affiliate pages made me over $15,827 just in this last week. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I have 3 of these pages making me over $100,000 in profit since I started them, and how you can do the same with your own TikTok Shop affiliate page, no matter what country you're in, no matter where you're at right now, how you can start after watching this video. TikTok Shop is very similar to a marketplace like Amazon, except it's on TikTok's native application. And TikTok is an application with over 1 billion users, and there's tons of people active every single day across the world. The consuming content in TikTok Shop allows people to actually buy products from these TikTok videos that consumers are actually consuming. And the main difference between TikTok Shop and something like Amazon is that in TikTok Shop, you can actually attach a commission for a person who makes videos. So for example, say I made a video and somebody is selling a product on TikTok Shop. Every time that I attach that TikTok Shop's link in my video, I get a commission on each sale that I make that seller. I've seen some crazy commissions on this app. I've seen commissions around 50%, even 80% of time. The type of commission really just depends on the type of company that you're working with, and these types of companies really just differ from supplement companies to clothing companies to even trading card companies. Now, the whole point of this video is to give you guys an idea as to why it actually pays to be the middleman, not to be the person selling the product, not to be the person making the product, but just to be the middleman of the person actually making sales for these sellers on TikTok Shop. You see, I have a couple e-commerce brands myself, and I understand how lucrative of an opportunity is to get your products in front of new customers who probably wouldn't have bought your product before, and that's exactly what TikTok Shop allows. They're giving customers about 50% off their first order, and they're giving the seller 100% of this discount. So say for example, you sell a product for $50 on TikTok Shop as a seller, and the customer comes and buys your product, they get 50% off it, so they get the actual product for $25, but the seller gets $50. How this all works is that TikTok obviously wants people to come and buy products from TikTok Shop, so they're going to give customers a discount, but obviously want the sellers to sell more of their products and not get, screwed on these discounts. So they're giving sellers 100% of whatever the product is that they listed. You really don't have to do much. You just have to make your videos and you get a commission for those. You don't have to worry about shipping the product, getting refunds, chargebacks, or anything like that the traditional e-commerce business model has. You get pure profit, pure commission, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. Now, why I really like TikTok is you don't need a huge account to get a lot of views. Obviously, if you have a lot of followers, it may help your reach, but at the end of the day, an account with 0 followers and an account with 100,000 followers still has the same opportunity inside of the TikTok algorithm to get a massive amount of views. And now with TikTok Shop, when a TikTok Shop link is attached to your videos, usually TikTok Shop is going to push the video so more people can come and buy off that listing, which is your video. Now, to start a TikTok Shop affiliate account, you could be anywhere in the world. Now, I know you guys may have heard that you can only start it in the US or the UK, but that's just simply not true. There's a loop around that you can actually use if you stick until the end of this video that I'm going to explain to you how you can do TikTok Shop affiliate in the UK, in the Europe or Germany, wherever it is that you're located at, because it's such a low barrier to entry right now. Simply all you have to do is find a product, make videos, and get commission. When I started this TikTok Shop affiliate account, I already had followers on the account, but the account was inactive for over 2 years. So you can pretty much start this from 0 followers like I did on some of my other pages and what my students have done, or you can use a page that you already have. But I'm going to show you why it's such a low barrier to entry and how you can go from a new account to making $500 a day in profit. So let me walk you through step by step how this TikTok Shop affiliate thing works. So step 1, we're going to go and create our account. Now, it's super simple to set up a TikTok Shop affiliate account. All you need to do is actually create a brand new TikTok account. And if you already have a TikTok account with say 5,000 followers or over, which is the requirement to actually get started with TikTok Shop affiliate, that's going to be best because then you can just rebrand the page just like I did with some of my pages. Also, how you apply for the TikTok Shop creator program and the affiliate program is you go to the hamburger lines at the top right of your profile, you go to TikTok Shop for creator, and then from there, you're going to open up the actual page to apply. Then you can get started with TikTok Shop affiliate right off the bat if you already have an account with 5,000 followers. But again, don't worry if you don't, because it's not that hard to get an account past 5,000 followers. I have an entire free course linked in the description down below inside of my Discord group that has over step-by-step, 25 videos on how to grow a TikTok account, how to get views organically, and how to do this entire thing. And if you don't already have 5,000 followers on an account and you don't want to wait to actually grow an account and you're in the US, the UK, or Asia, then this is the method that you can use to actually create a loophole to get access to become a TikTok Shop affiliate without having, again, 5,000 followers. All that you need to do is create a brand new TikTok seller account and then link your TikTok account that has 0 followers to the TikTok Shop seller account. This will activate the affiliate actual side for your TikTok account because now it is connected to your TikTok Shop account. So you don't need any followers for this. It'll allow you to do this automatically. So if you're international, you're not in the US, UK, or Asia, and you want to actually get started with TikTok Shop affiliate, this is exactly how you set up your account. What you're going to do is you're going to get a SIM card, you're going to get a second device, and then you're going to get a bank account that you can pay out your money to. Once you do these things, what you're going to need for step 4 is to get an account that already has 1,000 followers on it. Now, for the UK accounts for TikTok Shop affiliate, the requirement is different. In the US, it's 5,000 followers. In the UK, it's 1,000 followers. Now, I have a connection to somebody that can actually sell you these accounts inside of my Discord. So again, join a link linked in the description down below. We have an entire guide in there, as I mentioned as well, for actually setting up TikTok Shop Affiliate outside of the US. Second step, once you actually have your account, is to actually go and find a product. Now, this is arguably the most important step to making viral content because your product needs to be good. It needs to have the right type of commission that's going to allow you to make money off of each sale that you actually make. Now, what I like to personally do is I like to scroll through the TikTok Shop Marketplace on the app itself because I can see, okay, is there a lot of creators making videos for this? Is there good angles that I can also do? Or is there just a lot of sales coming in for this product? Option B is to actually go use a software called Kalo Data, which I believe has a free trial. And what's really cool about Kalo Data is you can sort the products by, top selling product, and you can see what products are selling the most. Like, for example, the gut cleansing pills sold, I think, over $15 million in the last couple of months. So I can see that this product is probably the number 1 or number 2 or number 3. And every single week they update this list, so you can look in the last 7 days, 30 days, whatever it is. But using Kalo Data is a really fast way to also find products based off the actual data. Now, I wouldn't get too wrapped up on what actually works for TikTok Shop because I've seen people kill it in every single category, kind of gifting niches, supplement niches, clothing niches, gaming niches. There's so many different niches out there. And personally, I would choose something that is an evergreen product that a lot of people can use. And that usually is either supplements or clothing. When you go to the best sellers on TikTok Shop or Kalo Data, you can see that there is a lot of items being sold in each of these categories. And I've personally seen commissions of 20%, 30% do very well from my page. So if you don't find really commissions at those rates, you just have to make sure it makes sense for you. Now, personally, I'm shooting for at least 30%. You got to realize if you get a sale on a $20 product and you're only making 50 cents, say you're making 5%, that's not really much money. So try to shoot for commissions again that are going to get you $5 a sale, maybe even $10 a sale. So it allows you to scale once your videos are going viral. I'd rather get 100 sales that pay me $10 a sale and make $1,000 versus, getting $1 per sale and still selling those same 100 products, but only getting $100. Now, in regards to the listing that you're promoting, this really does matter sometimes that the listing itself is doing very well. And what I mean by very well is that there is other sales that are on the listing. You're not just promoting a listing that's brand new. This usually is going to get you a much higher conversion because the reviews on the actual listing are going to sell the product itself most of the time. Now, you can really sell any product. It doesn't necessarily matter that, it has 10,000 sales or 1,000 or 100 sales, but try to focus on stuff that has good reviews. So once you found your product, now you got to see how you can actually create these videos. And the easiest way to do this is just by looking on TikTok Shop for the product that you're going to do. So say you're going to do this kind of Guru Nanda oil pulling product. This did really amazing over the last couple of months of this year. And say I wanted to do this product too. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to search in TikTok the actual product name, so Guru Nanda oil pulling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort the videos by most liked in the last 3 months, the last month, whatever it is. And I'm going to see how these people are actually making their videos, from their hook to the middle of their video to the end of the video, to how fast they kept the video, to the length of it, to everything that they said in the video, because I want to take note of everything that's making them succeed. So when I go to film my video, I have an understanding of what I can actually do to also re-replicate that success. You don't need to go and reinvent the wheel. You don't need to go do crazy strategies to grow on TikTok. You just need to look at what people are doing and make it 10% better each time. And even if you open up the TikTok Shop listing and click on the commissions part that tells you how much in commissions you're going to make, you can actually see other video examples of some top creators as well. Now, some of these other posts that I've seen on the Guru Nanda oil pulling, like this one that's on almost 5 million, 10 million in views. And these videos are generating these creators $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 plus in profit for them just promoting the product. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this product to my showcase on the actual TikTok Shop app. And what that's going to do is when I go to create a video on my account now, since it's eligible for becoming a TikTok Shop creator, I'm going to be able to add a link to my video when I post it. And that link is going to show up on my video as the Guru Nanda oil pulling on the video that I post. What I also like doing is I like to cross-reference on TikTok sort of how much money is being made with these products. So if I'm looking on TikTok and I can see, okay, on Amazon, this product also has, say, 50,000 or 100,000 units sold. I know people like this product. They're going on TikTok, buying the product, or maybe going to another platform and searching it up. But the point is that there is demand for this product. So you have a product, you know how to make the videos, and now you've even added it to your showcase. So how do you make videos now to get viral with TikTok Shop Affiliate? Well, as I mentioned, just go look at what people have done before. If people are making videos with 1-2 minute long videos, then you also need to go and create 1 to 2 minute long videos. Now, I'm going to show on the screen here some of the TikTok Shop videos that have done pretty good for me on my personal page that have made me this kind of money with TikTok Shop Affiliate, just so you guys can get an understanding. But this doesn't mean that you have to copy what I'm exactly doing. Again, I have an entire free program going over the different strategies, how to look at creators, how to find them, and sort of how to re-replicate these videos and make your own. Now, say you find a product that you want to sell, but you're not sure if it's a really good product yet. You can look it up on Amazon or eBay or whatever it is and see. For example, it's on Amazon for $10, but on TikTok Shop, it's $12 or $15. People are probably going to buy that item from TikTok Shop because, as I explained at the beginning of this video, they're going to get an incentive, 50% off, 60% off the order. And what's really good about Amazon as well is that you can actually order the product directly to your house to make some faster content with, and you don't need to actually wait for the product to come from the TikTok Shop seller when you request a sample from them. So I highly recommend doing this so you don't waste your time waiting 2 to 3 weeks for the seller to send you the item and you're ready to actually get the item and make the video for your TikTok Shop account. I highly recommend just going to Amazon, ordering it. Usually it takes 1 or 2 days to come to your house, and that cost is much lower than actually waiting for the TikTok Shop seller to send you a sample of the product. You may spend $10, $15 on the product to get it from Amazon, but trust me, it's so much more worth it to get the product faster and test it and get videos up to see how much you can make in sales versus waiting 2 to 3 weeks for the product to come to you from the TikTok Shop seller. Now guys, put it out of your head that you have to do some crazy strategies and implement things that nobody has done before on TikTok to get millions of views. I promise you it is not the case. As I mentioned, you can look for creators who are already making this kind of content and give you a simple breakdown of how to go viral on TikTok, the platform. Now, it doesn't really matter if your account isn't getting a lot of views on every video. So you're getting 1K, 5K, 10K views on a video, and then boom, one video gets 1 million views. That 1 million view video is going to pull up all your smaller view videos because at the end of the day, your profile is in the algorithm and it's going to find the best kind of conversions for the customers that you are showing your videos to. So if it likes your video, it's going to push your one video probably 80-90% up the way, and it's going to push your other smaller videos like 5 or 10% up the way as that one main video goes viral. Now you guys saw the TikTok Shop video that I posted for this kind of body oil product, this like body juice product that was really popping off at the beginning of this year, and the whole psychology behind how this video worked and why it went viral was simply the hook. See, even for TikTok Shop affiliate, I was posting on TikTok for my organic dropshipping stores, and I would always use this strategy to go viral is to say something outlandish in the beginning to get people's attention and hook them in to watch the remainder of the video. This does is it allows me to get people inside of my video that probably wouldn't have watched it before because I said something to catch their attention, and that's simply what you have to do. You can call people out. Like for example, in this one with the cat litter box, I was saying, attention cat owners, or I can't believe cat owners don't know this, stinky litter boxes are cluttering up your home. So I talked about their problem directly in the beginning of the video, and then I also, called them out directly. So if somebody who owns a cat is watching this video, they're going to probably stop scrolling. This is really amazing because you can do the same exact thing with some outlandish things that you can say. So for example, if you are selling a product that is, say like a gut cleanser, obviously when you cleanse your gut, there is going to be bacteria and things in your body, what have you, it's going to come out of your body. So if you talk about that and in your hook, you say, I can't believe I was on the toilet for 7 days after taking this, then people are going to be like, whoa, what did he just say? Like, what is he going to talk about in this video? Let me continue to watch this video until the end of it. In my video, I said something pretty outlandish. I said, I can't believe that I just had the best, sex in my entire life. And it just catches people's attention because it's so outlandish to say something like that. Usually you don't say something like that on social media. Obviously, when I said it, I'm just trying to hook people in to watch the video, but you get the point. You want to say something so outlandish that people are like, wow, I have to comment about that. I have to engage in this video now. So I'm going to go comment about it, save it, send it to somebody. And what in TikTok's algorithm this does is it actually pushes your video out to more people. Now, what we've seen work pretty well over the last couple of months is long form videos on TikTok. Now I have TikTok scripts of videos for different products that we've done in the past that you guys can use for your own TikTok Shop affiliate videos. Again, it's linked in our Discord in the description down below. So if you want to access that, just join the Discord. It's free. There's no cost to it at all. You can just join it and use that information. Now, these type of videos sell the product really well. And this is why TikTok Shop affiliate is so easy. All you have to do is just talk about the product and hook people in the first couple of seconds to get them value in the video once you're talking about the product. And you don't even need to show your face for this. For example, the cat litter box, I never showed my face for that, but obviously for my own TikTok Shop affiliate page, I was showing my face for it because I feel like it gives that connection to the audience a lot better versus just not showing your face. But you don't need to show your face at all. All you have to do is just make good quality content. Now, the biggest tip that I can give you guys to go viral is just to relate with people, whether you show your face or you don't show your face. If you can relate to people in your videos are going to do 10 times better in the algorithm, and you're going to get much more sales on your actual video. When I actually did the retractable charging product, I had the same problem with my car. I had a ton of cables around all the time and it was super annoying. So when I had this retractable charger, I was actually speaking from experience and being like, yo, this charger has changed my life forever, and I'll never go back to using a regular charger again. And that really hooked people in because I'm speaking to their problems, right? I'm relating to them and I'm talking about how they also want to have that same result in their life. The body juice oil, I'm talking about how I had the best, kind of intercourse or whatever it was of my life. And people want that in their lives, right? They want to have, great love lives. They want to have these things. So I relate to them and tell them, hey, look, I didn't have that great of a, life before, whatever it is. And now this product is completely changed. Another couple really good hooks that I've seen work good is like, fellas, if you have a girlfriend, then you need to keep watching this video, or girls, if you have a man, then you need to keep watching watching this video. Just kind of calling out the customers directly, whether it's a product that they're going to gift to somebody else or they're going to use with somebody else. It's always great to kind of call them out. So to kind of recap this video, we already talked about what the model is, how to find products, how to make videos, and how to even set this all up so you can make $100, $500, or $1,000 of profit a day. Now, again, I said I have an entire free program linked to my Discord in the description down below. We do a call every single week to go over with you guys how to actually set this all up and how to make money with the model. But personally, I believe it's the easiest way to make $10,000 in profit in 2024. So get started with this as soon as you see this video, as soon as you finish everything here, get started with it because it's not getting any sooner. And if you don't start today, then you're going to give up tomorrow. But yeah, if you got value from this video, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and make sure you turn on post notifications to never miss a new upload.